Alright, this is one you won't see very often. Fred. Here you go, boy. Hey, Fred. It's not a con. There's Fred's mate. This is Fred's entire family. That's all of them coming over for the beef fat. Oh, which they love, and it's a really good source of calories for them. Yeah, you got to wait, gooses. You're all finished afterwards. Hey, Fred. See that? Don't know if you heard him talk there. Hello, boy. Yeah. I don't know if you actually saw that there, but Fred took the food. I'm gonna say hello, boy. So get you some more. So from the George Foreman grill to the boys. Here you go, boy. There you go. You've heard of that spoon feeding? Alright. Spoon feeding swans? Yeah. They don't mind. I've got a man behind me who's here to hand feed the geese. So I'm going to let him have his cup of coffee while I deal with... Oh, you dropped it. Dropped it, Fred. Someone's thoughtfully thrown their crap right on the floor. Alright. Right, is that goose going to get out of the way of all the birds? Alright, I'll switch this off. Here's Fred's... It's Fred's youngest baby. You big boy! And he's already coming up to me to say hello as well. And you good boy. There's Mamagoose waiting for her dinner.